Hi, friends! For today, we are going to talk about the Filipino abacada, which is our equivalent for the ABCs. But this time, we're going to do it the Bisaya version. If you're ready, let's get A as in anak, which means child. Ba as in the word baso, which means drinking cup. Ka as in the word kalo, which means cap. Da as in the word dagan, which means run. I as in the word ikaw, which means you. Ga as in the word gitara, which means guitar. L as in the word lalum, which means deep. M as in the word maestra, which refers to the female teacher. N as in the word nasud, which means nation. This one can be a challenge for many, such as in the word ngano, which means why. Pa as in the word pareho, which means same. R as in the word relo, which refers to watch. S as in the word siko, which means elbow. T as in the word tigulang or tiguang, which means old. Wa as in the word wala, which means nothing. And lastly, we have ya as in the word yawa, which refers to evil or devil, but sometimes you can hear that as a cussing word. And that's it for today. Again, if we're not friends here yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hangtid sa sunod, this is your teacher Joanne. Salamat!